you. Okay, so what's up, guys? This is Daniel with a part 3 of Jurassic 100%. Now I'm starting off with Alan Grant, aka word I can't pronounce source. Yeah. Well, if you hear walking, it's annoying. So, oh, I found a race. Please. It's a Darmosasaurus. Let's go. Yeah, if you hear that, stupid mama. Just checking. So we're gonna have Ian Malcolm up in here. Yeah, I got the golden brick. Good. So let's go. Boom. So let's find something new. Speeding them home. So we made it to the main center. So let's go this way, because we went the other way last episode, if you watched it. But those who do, will do whatever. Now, as you remember in the last episode, we found our first red brick, which I'm going to purchase, don't worry. I gotta find a darn entrance that it has. I already got those golden bricks. Okay. Yeah. Now I know how to... Yeah, they're over here, isn't it? Yeah. Holy! It's a $1 million brick! I love that much! What? Oh my gosh. Really? Oh my... Okay, that was a good one, though. Okay, so let's do some... Now I did make a little custom guy, but you won't want to see that, alright? We're gonna do that later. So let's get rocking. Okay, so I'm gonna bring up the map actually and see what we have to do. Now remember there's a camera mission. I know there's a camera mission, so let's head out of here. And go do that camera mission. But first, we're gonna have to switch to Gray Michelle. Okay? Survivor. Oh. Okay, so let's pull this down again. What the heck? Dude! Stop drunken. And actually do your thing. And jump us. Is that a purple stud? I need to get that thing. So let's switch back to Gray Michelle. Purple stud. Huh? What? Okay, maybe I just have to rebuild the camera thing again. Yeah, that's it. I think. What? Guys? This is kind of creeping me out. I swear it was right here. That's disappointing. That was really disappointing. I can't believe that. Okay, so let's head. And go here. Visitor Center. I can't believe that. I probably did the mission, I don't remember. Let's actually backtrack. Since I don't know what to do here anymore. Oh, and ow, wasn't paying attention. The best part is that I probably covered up half of the screen, but you know, it's not, you know, leaning anymore, which you probably already know. Okay, can't go over here. See, I've got my eyes out. Shoot, stop it. Nope. Oh! Here we go. Yeah. Ooh! Okay. Better not be. Oh, Charlie! You jumped like nothing when you broke. Okay, never mind. I was gonna say that you jumped like you broke your leg. Come on, let's do this. Cause he does! And then he's like having a bag. I know it's at night, but seriously. What? Step it in. Ah! Okay. Wait. I'm looking around because I saw these couple missions, and I thought you guys would like me to do, so I didn't do them. What? Are we here? Thank you. We're gonna actually be going to Jurassic World again. So let's switch to Michael, whatever his last name is, and hop in the subway. Let's see what awaits us. Sorry, I'm still sniffling. Yeah, you know, guys, you know the stuff. You gotta do. You gotta do what you gotta do. Wait, we're back, right? Huh? I hate when it switches you back. So stupid. Now I do have a custom Triceratops. Would you like to see it? I can find the darn thing. Oh, that's good. Oh, the heck with it. I'm just gonna go with the... I'll show you the custom stuff. I know, I don't sound too enthusiastic because I don't know what to do. I'm gonna do a race. Did I do this race? Huh. Okay, so I'm gonna switch to clear. And... Aha! Golden brick! Okay, so let's switch back to you. Now, keep up as you can. Oh, we're gonna do game over. So let's get clear deerling to do game over mission. Who is that? Oh. Okay, guess that's her. What? Oh, Lex. What? Such an idiot. Oh my. The stupid. Oh. Oh my dinosaur, get the heck out of my way! Okay, I'm gonna switch out the dinosaur. I'm gonna actually pull the dinosaur right over here. Oh my god, will you get the heck out of my way? I'm gonna flip him as A. I mean, this is bees. Okay, that was my fault. I wish my dad was playing this with me. We'd be able to do a lot. That was not my fault, guys. Yay! Okay, golden brick. How many golden bricks have we success? Ooh! Okay, so there's one other thing I want to do in this area. Come on, Dino. He's stuck? Oh no. Help! raptor, right, guys? Raptor. Oh, this. Huh? Okay, so. Okay. Let's kick him in the face. Shoot, I need that raptor! What's wrong with this game? He can't do it? Oh, you kidding me? What's wrong? Okay, we'll come back to that another time. Maybe I'll just do that off camera. Yeah, sure, but
Maybe if I slip the guy something, he'll let me pet the T-Rex. I wonder if that T-Rex is the same one I saw in San Diego.
Who are you? How do you know that? Huh? Tough guy, how do you know that? Maybe there's a... Oh, a camera mission! Wait, can she take pictures? So let me just...
I hear you can eat a whole shark in one bite.
What? Huh? There's something mentally wrong with this game. Shush. I've got a feeling this is not going to be a pre-productive episode. Wait. Ooh! Yeah, still. Wait, does that feed it to him? I don't get how you want to... Guys, leave in the comments below. Please. Don't have to, but it would be nice. Wait, what? So I have 45. I don't know what that did. Oh, it triggered the point. Now it makes a lot more sense. That was a pretty good picture, kid. Okay, so now we've got another golden brick and another picture mission. So let's switch it to Gary. Oh, that's the how you pronounce it. How about we go in this room? Okay, hey baby raptor. Kill your raptor! Wait. I'm gonna switch to my scary, what? Scary? No. A golden brick. Okay. We got more golden brick. Boing, boing, boing. Okay. Have a little conversation. Yeah, we heard you. Uh-huh, yeah. And this was a complete waste of time. Yes. Oh boy, boy, boy. So let's go to Gyrosphere Valley next. Holy moly! Guys, this was a very long episode. Well, yeah, that is not how you manage time right. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. You know the drill. I'll see you in the next episode. Peace out.
Bye. Bye.